Hello and welcome to the channel. This is my first real video. It's actually my second video. The first video before this one was a montage of some photos of some renovation work I had done on the car where I was having underbody rust treatment work done. Not a long video. Hopefully you enjoyed that and managed to watch that. Today's video is going to be a how-to on how to replace the spring on the sun visor that opens up the flap on your sun visor. Mine's gone missing, so we'll be replacing that today.
The first thing you need to do is take the flap off, which is dead easy. You just slide it out with a little groove at the back there, and it comes straight off. So here's the little spring you're going to need if you want to replace the one that's gone missing from a sun visor on an MGTF. I ordered mine from MG and Alpha Spares. You just take it out of the packet. What's the first step is to take the flap off your sun visor. Once you've got it off, you can see there's a little notch there, which is where the spring will sit. And the one thing to remember is that they are directional springs, so one is for the passenger side and one is for the driver's side, so make sure you get the right one. Once it's off, it's dead easy. You just slide it onto the little bit of plastic there and then line the edge of the spring up with the groove in the flap, and then once that's done you can fit it back to the car. Fitting the flap back to the car is just the reverse of what we did at the beginning, so you just slide it into the groove at the back of the flap. Careful not to lose your newly fitted spring, and then once that's done we can shut it, and then there we go, all done.